Hello everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel. This is Kurino Kanroni, which means simmered chestnuts in syrup. Today, I'm sharing how to handle fresh chestnuts. I picked these up at the supermarket this morning. Have you ever tried peeling them? Here is the unique gadget. With this tool, I can easily peel their hard outer layer. Here is how it works. First, wash the chestnuts and soak them in water for about 30 minutes to soften the skin. Then, drain them. And peel like this. Hold it like a pair of scissors. Pinch the chestnut's hard outer skin and snip it away bit by bit. See how the skin comes off very easily. If you don't have a chestnut peeler, a small knife can work, but it takes more time and care. I always look forward to autumn because it is a season of chestnuts, but their tough skin used to be such a hassle for me. That is until I discovered this chestnut peeler. It has been a total game changer. I got mine in Japan years ago, and every fall I'm so grateful to whoever invented this. I am making simmered chestnuts in brown sugar syrup later. In Japanese cuisine, ingredients like chestnuts, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, or beans are often simmered sweetly and served as a dessert-like dish. Now that it is a season when chestnuts are affordable, so I buy them and peel them, then keep them in freezer until I use. Once you are done peeling, give them a quick rinse, dry them thoroughly, and put them in a freezer bag. They will stay good in the freezer for 1 to 2 months. Now let's make Kurino Kanroni, simmered chestnuts in syrup. The ingredients are super simple. Peeled chestnuts, sugar, and water. That's it. I use brown sugar. Okay, start by pre-boiling the chestnuts to remove any bitterness. If you are using frozen ones, this step also helps get rid of any unwanted smell. And add a teaspoon of baking soda if you have it. It softens their texture. Once boiled, discard the water. Put the nuts back to the pot and then add fresh water. And cook until they are tender. These nuts hold their shape well, even if overcooked, so no need to worry about them falling apart like sweet potatoes or beans. Pierce a chestnut with a skewer to check if they are fully cooked. When they are soft, add half the sugar and simmer for 15 minutes. Adding the sugar in 2 stages helps the sweetness soak into the chestnuts and prevent them from hardening. This trick works for cooking beans too, so keep it in mind. You will notice some froth or scum called aku in Japanese forming on the surface. That's the astringency from the chestnuts. Skim it off with a spoon or ladle to keep the flavor clean. Then, add remaining sugar and simmer for another 10 minutes. it's done. Well, I forgot the pot was on the stove and overcooked it, so the syrup reduced by half. Oh no. But that's okay. Chestnuts doesn't fall apart in syrup by overcooking. If you keep simmering, the syrup thickens into Kuromitsu, a delicious black sugar syrup that's super versatile. You can use these sweet chestnuts in Taiyaki, fish-shaped pastries, or drizzle the syrup over oatmeal for a cozy treat. I have made videos for Taiyaki and Japanese style oatmeal before, so please check those out too. Have you ever tried a chestnut recipe? Let me know your favorite chestnut recipe in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye. See you soon.